Today I'm going to show you one of the most comprehensive AI platforms I've tested so far. A place where you use Gemini 3 Pro GPT, 5.1, Cloud 4.5, and several other models in a single dashboard. And you can create images, videos, websites, presentations, and complete reports with just a few clicks. Alright, so let's get to the video. Alright guys, so after clicking the link that's down here in the description of this video, you'll sign up on the platform and you can start using it right away. The first thing I want to show you are the models that are available here. So we have Gemini 3 Pro Cloud Opus 4.5, GPT 5.1, DeepSeek B 3.2, Cloud Sonic 4.5, and so on. So pretty much all the most advanced models that exist on the market today are available here at Rix AI, okay? So let's start here using one of the most advanced models we have today, Gemini 3 Pro. So let's start a multimodality test, meaning we'll test several functions to see if the platform supports them. Starting here with the ability to view and identify images. I'll click the plus button, choose my image, and then I'll ask the following. Simply analyze this image and I'll send it. And look, in less than 5 seconds, I have a complete analysis of this image here. Next test now, coding. For this test, I'll also use Gemini 3 Pro, I'll paste my prompt and send it. Done. It finished coding, I'll copy the code saved, let's see if it's working. And look at the quality of this generation. It's really amazing because I was able to make a fully functional website here with animations, everything working perfectly. Now, can I also use Rix AI to create a little game? Let's see. Once again, I'll paste my prompt here. But now, instead of Gemini 3 Pro, I'm going to use Cloud Opus 4.5, which is also one of the most advanced right now. Look, the code is ready. I'll copy it, save it, and let's test it. And there you go. I already have my little game working perfectly here. Check out how cool that is. So, with a simple prompt, using Cloud Opus 4.5, I was able to create a fully functional little game. And before we continue here, if when you enter the platform it's in English, that's no problem at all. Just click on your profile and select the Portuguese language. That's it. From this moment on, you'll already have the platform in Portuguese, so you can use it without having to worry about translation. So besides code, you can use Rix AI here to do a variety of things. Like, for example, generating videos, images, slides, deep research, and so on. Now, if you want more, just click here, more tools. There you'll find all these tools available to help you in your daily tasks. Everything is divided by categories. So this is the tab for you. I also have here all the available models, tools for writing, productivity, business, research, education, and a whole range of other categories here, each with artificial intelligence tools for us to use in our daily lives. Coming back to the tool, now let's generate some images. So I'm going to click here, Images and AI, and notice that all the most advanced models are available here as well. Midjourney, Seedream 4.0 Flux, Context, GPT Image, and so on. And of course, the most impressive of them all, Nano Banana Pro. So, I'm going to select the most advanced model available right now. Notice that down here, I have several options that I can use for inspiration. So, I have a complete gallery here, generated by the community. I can choose any of these images and click on Create Similar. From there, I'm going to create an image similar to this one in the gallery. For now, let's start with something new. So, I'm going to type my prompt here. Since I'm using the Nano Banana Pro, I can choose if I want a 1K, 2K, or 4K image. I'll leave it at 2K. Here, I can choose the number of images that will be generated each time. If I want, I can use this feature here to improve my prompt. And I can also choose the aspect ratio, that is, the proportion of my image. I'll leave it at 16:9 and ask it to generate. Done. Now I have 4 options here to choose from. Image number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each one is cooler than the last. I like this first one here. I'm going to download it. Well, after downloading it, let's see if I can edit the image here inside Rix AI. I uploaded the image I downloaded, I asked it to change the hair color, and now I'm going to ask it to generate. And look how cool that is. The woman used to have pink hair, and now she has blonde hair without changing anything else in the image. So, besides generating, I can also edit images here inside Rix AI. Now, going back here to the Discover Gallery. Let's suppose I want to create an image similar to this one. So I'm going to click the Create Similar button. It will bring the prompt here for me. I'll leave it as it is and send it. And look, I already have my image here that was inspired by another image I found in the gallery. Besides the Discover menu, there's also this other one here, Effects. So I can choose any of these effects here and apply it to an image I generated here inside Rix AI. I'm going to choose this one, Simpsons Character Generator. Now, I'm going to select my image and ask it to generate. And look how cool this is. Original image. And the image that was created using that effect I chose, which is available in the gallery. Another amazing thing, you can upscale the images. This one is the original. I can scale it up 2, 4, 8, or 16 times. So, just to recap, there are several effects available here for you to create quality content. Each one does something different. Besides images, you can also generate videos here in Rix AI. To do that, just click here, Video and AI. Then, here in the selector, I can choose which AI model I want to use to generate my video. There are several available here, including VO3 Fast, VO 3.1, and all the others that are available here for you to generate your video. I'm going to select VIO 3.1 here. I'll paste my prompt. I'll generate the video. Duration 6 seconds. Quality, I'll leave it at 720p. Here in the aspect ratio 16:9, and I'll ask it to generate. Notice that I'm using the VO 3.1 fast model here, but all these others here can be used to create your video. Do you know the channel Ondeo Clico? Do you know it? Do you? Cool, right? If you like the result, just click this button here and download the file directly to your computer. Or you can also upscale this video by clicking this other button here. That way you can improve the quality up to 4 times. And just like you have the Discover gallery here, where you can view various types of videos made with this tool, we also have the Effects gallery. So there are several available here. Each one cooler than the other, so I can boost my video and give it a super professional look. Now I want to show you the slide generator. So I'm going to click here on the Slides DDA button. If I'm feeling uninspired, there are some examples here that I can use, or if not, I can create one from scratch. I entered my prompt and will generate it. Automatically, it creates an outline for me of what my presentation will look like. It asks me here to confirm the requirements. I'm going to confirm, and from there, it already starts generating. Here's a detail. To see what's happening while my presentation is being generated, just click View. And then I can follow step by step everything that's happening, including the sources that are being used to create my presentation. You can see it's wrapping up the deep research and will then create my slides. Look, it's creating my outline. Now it's searching for images. Done. It has already finished creating my 10 slides. Let's see how it turned out. Slides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pretty cool, right? If I think it's good, I can share this presentation via a link by clicking here on Share Now, or I can also download the file in PowerPoint, PPTX, PDF, or HTML format to my computer. So I have all these options, not just to share, but also to save my presentation. And finally, I want to show you this feature here, Deep Research. Look, search for electric cars in Brazil, and I'll send it. What's the advantage of this feature? It's that it doesn't do a basic search. It goes deeper. It checks the sources, it picks the most reliable ones, and not only brings me the search result, but also generates a full text based on that information. And just like what happened with the slides, if I click here on View, I can see all the sources that are being consulted. When you sign up here on the platform, you get 20 credits to try it out. But if you invite a friend, you get 30 more credits. So that's cool because you keep accumulating credits and then you can use them here on the platform by sending your link to your friend. If they sign up, you get the credits. Now, if you want more professional use, their pro plan costs 30 Rs per month. Now, if you need something unlimited and even more advanced, then the monthly plan costs 44 Rs. Cool, right? So if you want to try out this amazing tool, I'll leave the link in the video description and also in the first pinned comment, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.